Alright, so just want to have your opinion about if the noise that we'll hear is the throwout bearing, the WRX 2016. Still on the 5-year warranty. This is obviously not the throwout bearing that we heard, but yeah. So yeah, the noise normally is it seems that something is squeaking at idle without when the clutch is not pressed in. So right now we have some kind of a little squeaking here. It's not that obvious this time, and if I press on the clutch, it stops. Now we hear it a little better, and if I press it all the way down, does it do something? No, not that bad. But yeah, so just wondering it was worth the pain to try to go to the other dealership, because one dealership said no, it's not warranted, and the other said yeah, it's warranted, but you need to leave the car there for 48 hours. And since my vacation was starting, it's a kind of a pain to drop the car since I don't have another car. So yeah, thanks guys.